Rate Shikshan Sanstha's online learning program welcomes you all. Today we are going to learn the second chapter of the textbook, The Thief's Story. The story is written by Ruskin Bond. First, we will have the introduction of that writer. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. Descent means person's nationality. He lives with his adopted family in Landour in Mussoorie, India. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. He got the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014. In this story, we will come across two characters. The first character is Anil, who is a writer and very simple, kind and generous by his nature. The second character is Hari Singh, who is a thief, very cunning, insincere and untruthful also. Let us see what happens in the story. Hari Singh was a thief. He was nearly 15 years old but was quite good for his age. In fact, Hari Singh wasn't even his real name. He used a different name every month to avoid getting caught by police. The first time Hari met Anil was a wrestling match. Anil looked like the perfect mark, simple, kind and easygoing. So Hari approached Anil and complimented him on his looks. He told Anil that he wanted to work for him. Anil replied that he couldn't pay him. So Hari said that he wouldn't work for food and even lied that he could cook. So Anil agreed and took him in. That night Hari made dinner. It was so bad that Anil gave it to some stray dogs and told Hari to leave. However, Hari just stood and kept smiling at Anil. Anil let Hari stay and taught him how to write his name and promised that one day Hari would learn how to write whole sentences and add numbers. Hari was glad with some education he could be better at what he did. Hari found it easy to work for Anil. Every day he would make a tea in the morning. Then he would go to the market to buy supplies. He always make a rupee profit every time. Hari also learned quite a bit about Anil. Anil was a writer and did not make steady income. When he did, he would go out and celebrate. When he didn't, he would borrow and worry about his next paycheck. Anil was earning by fits and starts. One day, Anil came home flush with several banknotes. He had just sold a book to a publisher. He safely hid the money under his mattress. It had been some time since Hari stole from someone. He made up his mind to steal the money. That night he crept up to Anil's bed and ran. He ran until he came to Bazar by station. There he slowed down and counted the money. There were 600 rupees in the bundle. Hari thought he would live like a king for the next week or two. Thinking this, he came to the station. The Lucknow Express was just leaving the platform. If he ran, he could easily jump into the train. Hari stood still and watched as the train left. He was alone now and had nowhere to go. Soon it was raining quite heavily. He went back to Bazar and sat down. The clock tower. He remembered that Anil had promised to teach him to write the whole sentences. One day, he thought knowing whole sentences would bring him more than thieving could. After all, stealing was easy, but becoming a clever and well respected man, that was better. So Hari went back to Anil and put the money back under the mattress. Next day, when he woke up, Anil was already making a tea. Anil gave him 50 rupees note as part of his wages. The note was still wet. Then he declared that they were going to learn whole sentences. Hari realized that Anil knew what had happened, but Anil didn't say anything. Moved, Hari gave Anil a smile, a genuine heartfelt smile. Thus, a well-intentioned person tries to reform a teenager who had strayed from the correct path. I hope you all understand the story. Now we will solve some questions related with the story. The first question is, why did Anil keep Hari even though he didn't have money to pay to Hari? The answer of this question is, Anil kept Hari even though he didn't have money to pay to Hari because Hari Singh agreed to cook for him without a salary provided Anil fed him. The second question is, why was Hari grateful? Answer of this question is, Anil promised to teach Hari to cook, to write his name and whole sentences and to add numbers. Hari knew that once he learned to write like an educated man, there was no limit to what he could achieve. So he was grateful to Anil. The third question is, why did Hari give a genuine appealing smile? Answer of this question is, Hari gave a genuine appealing smile to Anil as Anil forgave him for the attempt to rob him and gave an opportunity to start life anew. The fourth question, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is, if we are good, people are good to us in return. I hope you all understand the story. Thank you for watching this story.